Morning, Maroon block. Today we talked about interpreting remainders. Interpreting means to...
Explain what something means.
So we are explaining what something means by interpreting what the remainder is asking us. And we know remainders are the leftovers, right?
Yes.
Okay, so here we go. There were 4 strategies that we used. Strategy 1, on the count of 3, read that. 1, 2, 3.
Ignore the remainder.
Strategy 2.
Round up.
Strategy 3.
Form a fraction or decimal.
Strategy 4.
Remainder is the answer.
Doing great. Now I need you to follow along with me. Ignore the remainder. When you do not have enough of something, I'm going to go through these situations really fast. I went to the grocery store. I had $83. Bags of M&Ms cost $4 each. I wanted to buy as many as I could. I did 83 divided by 4. I got 20 remainder 3. Can I buy 20 to remainder 3 M&M packs?
No.
I can only buy 20 because I had $3 left over, right?
Yes.
Is $3 enough to buy another pack of M&Ms?
No.
So my answer is 20. I ignore the remainder because it doesn't help me buy another pack, right?
Yes.
Situation number 2, round up. We're going on a field trip. There's 99 of us. Buses hold 23 kids, right? I take my 99 kids, I divide it by the 23 that each bus can hold, I get 4 remainder 7. When I'm talking to the bus company person and they say, how many buses do you need? Do I say I need 4 remainder 7 buses?
No.
How many buses do I need?
5.
5, because if I only order 4, how many kids will be left out?
7.
So the answer here is 5. Eyes out here. I don't see all eyes up here. All right, Noah, 5 of his buddies are having some pizza. They have 15 slices. They're going to divide the 15 by Noah and his 5 buddies, so there's 6 of them, right? They realize that everybody gets 2 pieces and they have leftover of 3. They have 2 remainder 3. They're like, well, that doesn't work. I don't know what 2 remainder 3 means. So Noah says, hey, let's turn this into a decimal. He has his decimal point in 3 zeros, brings down the 0. He gets a 0.5. Hey, everybody, we get 2.5 pieces of pizza. What does 2.5 pieces of pizza mean? We cut the last few pieces in half. Everyone's good to go, right? So in this situation, we formed a fraction or a decimal. Last situation, number 10, remainder's the answer. Again, I go to the store, $83, buy bags of M&Ms, buy as many as I can. Could buy 20 bags of M&Ms. How much money do I have left?
3.
How much money will I have left? I have $3 left over. Was I in trouble with my wife?
Yes.
Why? I didn't have enough money to buy.
Medicine.
In this situation, when the question's asking how much money is left over, the remainder is how much money is left over, right?
Yes.
We good?